In this video, we are going to see how to extract text from an image in Python. Here, we will be using ptesseract module. Python tesseract is an optical character recognition tool for Python. That is, it will recognize and read the text that is embedded in images. Now, install ptesseract module. To install this module, open terminal and type pip install ptesseract. Module has been installed successfully. Now, let's start writing the code. Import ptesseract. From PIL import image. PIL, Python Imaging Library, adds image processing capabilities to Python interpreter. Open the image file, which is to be converted to text. Now, convert image to string. Finally, print the text. Run the program. Here, we are getting tesseract not found error. Install tesseract file from tesseract OCR documentation. Open tesseract OCR documentation and search for Windows. Then download the required exe file. Now, install the tesseract. Copy the path of the file. Since tesseract is not in the path, change tesseract CMD variable. Paste the path of the tesseract exe file. Now, run the program. And compare the text extracted in the image file. Text has been successfully extracted. Not only English text, you can also extract other language text by placing lang equals to. If you need French text, then use lang equals FRE. Similarly for other languages. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.